Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. This video for beginners. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. First step, let's select this layer cloud 1 and right mouse, breadcrumbs, add name C1, click OK. Then right mouse and go to composition settings. Let's change composition size like this. Click OK and select this layer cloud and let's move to up and Ctrl D, move to down. Again Ctrl D, move to down this copy. Again Ctrl D and move to down. Let's back to sky composition and select this layer cloud 2 and cloud 3. Let's right mouse, breadcrumbs, add name C2 and click OK. And right mouse, go to composition settings. Let's change height like this. Let's change 5000. Okay, and select these clouds. Let's move to up and Ctrl D. Let's move to down. Again Ctrl D, move to down, and again move to down. So we can change these clouds for random like this. Then back to sky composition. Okay, and select this composition cloud 1 and C2. Let's press P and let's move it up like this and make new passing keyframe. Go to 7 seconds or 10 seconds. Let's move it down like this. So let's see. Okay, nice. So in this time, let's select this layer red and let's select this pan behind icon. Let's move it down here or here. Click selection tool and select this layer blue. Go to solo and move the anchor point here. Click selection tool and unsolo. So in this time, go to first second and select this red and blue. Let's press R for open rotation. Then let's use expression for endless animation. Let's hold Alt and click this time icon. And let's right here, wiggle 1. Let's change to 6. For done expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, this way is better. Let's change this 1 and let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's edit this wiggle. Let's Ctrl C and go to select blue. Let's hold Alt, click this time icon and Ctrl V for paste expression. Then click this empty area for done expression. Okay, let's see. Nice. So let's close keyframe settings and select this C2. Let's go to effects presets, search effect Gaussian blur and let's select this Gaussian blur. Let's use for this C2 composition and let's change blurriness like this. Okay, nice. Also we can use Gaussian blur for blue layer and let's change blurriness. Okay, and let's Ctrl D, move to left and let's move to here. Press S, change scale. Ctrl D, move to right here. Press S, change scale like this. And Ctrl D, let's move to here. Press S, change scale. And go to effect presets, search effect hue saturation. Select this hue saturation. Let's use for this blue 3. And let's select this checkbox and change color like this. Okay, and select this blue 2. Let's use hue saturation and click this checkbox. Let's change color like this. Okay, not bad. So let's select this blue 2 and press P. Make new patching keyframe. go to last second and let's move the up. Let's see. Okay, select this layer blue 3, press P, make new patching keyframe, go to last keyframe, let's move the up. Let's see again. Okay, not bad. And select this layer, blue 1. Let's press P, make new patching keyframe, go to here and move the up and move to left. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.